Hello everyone and welcome to the Nina Mason Pullman Audubon Center, home of Audubon, Arizona. I'm Corey Lycopolus, an Education Assistant here at the office. Today I'll be riding my bike through the Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area and want to take you along for the ride. While riding through the area, I'll also be stopping to take photographs periodically and would love to share some of those with you at the end. And let's not forget our helmet and let's go for a ride. Hello again everyone. I'm here along the banks of the Rio Salado River just east of the 16th Street Bridge taking some photographs. Now when it comes to photography, the best camera you have is the one you have with you. So if you just have your phone, you can go ahead and take some outstanding pictures with that as well. But here today I have my Nikon with 150 to 600 millimeter zoom. This zoom lens allows me to get closer to wildlife without actually disturbing them. Another great tool to have when taking wildlife photography is a tripod. Helps stabilize the camera and you get nice crisp pictures. And finally, the last thing you want to have when taking wildlife photography is patience, because it might take a while before your subject comes into frame.